Welcome to Cook Chinese Now, the show that brings authentic Chinese cooking into your home. Up until now, we've expanded your repertoire to include a few Chinese entrees and a dessert dish.
Today we'll be teaching you your first appetizer dish. We'll be cooking up egg and seaweed soup. To cook this meal, you will need the following: 1 tomato, 1 stem of green onion, 2 eggs, a pack of beach mushrooms, and a quarter sheet of dried seaweed. You also need some chicken broth. Now on to preparation. We will start by dicing the green onion. Cut the green onion in quarters, and then dice the stems into fine slices. For the tomato, cut in half and then dice each half into large bite-sized bits. Next, crack the eggs into a bowl. Add a sprinkle of salt and then whisk the eggs together. We'll then move on to the seaweed. Take the quarter-sized sheet of dried seaweed and cut in half with scissors. Stack one half on the other and then make thin slices through the seaweed sheets. And now on to cooking. In a pot or saucepan, add in 2 cups of water and 2 cups of chicken broth. Set the stove heat to high and let boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to medium and add in the beach mushrooms. Stir sparingly and allow to cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Then add in the diced tomatoes. Allow to cook for 1 to 2 minutes until the tomatoes begin to soften. We'll then add in the dried seaweed. Mix all contents together and allow the pot to reboil. Once the pot is boiling, we'll add in the whisked eggs. For this soup, we want a thin cooked string of eggs. To do this, place chopsticks against the edge of the bowl and, while holding the eggs high in the air, slowly drizzle the eggs into the pot. Reduce heat to medium and stir the contents until well mixed. Finally, add in the diced green onions. For additional taste, a sprinkle of salt and white pepper can be added to the soup. Stir all contents together and turn off the stove heat. For a spicy alternative, a teaspoon of chili oil can be added to the final soup. And that's it. You've done it. Serve hot and enjoy. Thanks for tuning in with us at Cook Chinese Now.
If you guys like this episode and want to see more content, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to check us out on our website, cookchinesenow.com.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.